Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we have something truly unique and innovative to share with you, that is non-woven scented fabric. First of all, what is non-woven scented fabric? Unlike traditional fabrics, non-woven fabric is made by bonding fibers together using heat, chemical or pressure. This process creates a durable and flexible material that's perfect for a variety of uses. These fabrics are infused with delightful scents that can enhance your mood, environment, and overall experience. So let's understand, how do we get from raw fibers to a scented masterpiece? It starts with choosing the right fibers, usually polyester, polypropylene, or a blend of natural and synthetic materials. These fibers are then bonded together to form a strong, cohesive fabric. The scent infusion happens during the bonding process, ensuring the fragrance is evenly distributed and long lasting. Now let's talk about how you can use this amazing fabric in your everyday life. Imagine a scarf that not only looks fabulous but also releases a calming lavender scent. Or how about adding a touch of fragrance to your home decor with scented pillow covers? There are even personal care products like scented face mask that makes your daily routines more pleasant and refreshing. Let's see the benefits of non-woven scented fabric. The first one is versatility, which is suitable for various applications from fashion to home decor. Second is durability, that is strong and long lasting even after multiple uses. Third is fragrance retention, that is the scent lasts for an extended period thanks to the unique infusion process. And the last is customization, that is which are available in different scents and designs to match your preferences. We also care about our planet. That's why many non-woven scented fabrics are made from eco-friendly materials and processes. You can enjoy the benefits of these fabrics while knowing you are making a sustainable choice. Whether you are looking to add a touch of fragrance to your wardrobe, home, or personal care routine, non-woven scented fabric is a fantastic option. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss on our latest innovations. And don't forget to leave a comment below with your exciting and innovating ideas. Thank you.